Hello everyone, welcome to Techie channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix if the camera is not working on your Windows 11 laptop. Now the first thing you have to do is go to Start and then click on Settings. Now from the left go to Privacy and Security. Now scroll down until you find Camera. Here it is. Now click on it. Now in here you need to make sure that camera access is on, and you also need to make sure that let apps access your camera option is also on. And once these two options are on, what you have to do is scroll down and see if any particular app does not have the camera access. As you can see here, Skype, the camera access is off, so all you need to do is just turn it on. So you need to turn on the camera access for any app that you are going to use, and once you are done, the issue should be solved. If it is still there, then go to the next fix. So what you have to do next is go to the search box and then type in device manager and then click on device manager from here. Now in here click on the little arrow next to cameras and then select the camera driver and then right click on it and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. Now after that click on action from the top and then click on scan for hardware changes, and that will just reinstall the driver for the camera, as you can see, and this should fix the issue. Now if you're using a Lenovo laptop, then there might be a privacy slider on the camera that you need to move to the left or to the right to make the camera work. So if you have a Lenovo laptop, just check for that. And that is how you can fix the webcam not working or the camera not working in your Windows 11 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.